Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not working on your iPhone. So it is a quite simple tutorial, and if you need to do that, you first of all need to open up your settings. So once you have opened up your settings, go to general settings. Once you head over to the general settings, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now just click on reset. Now here you need to click on reset all settings. Then you need to type in your password, and basically then all data will be reset, and basically then the Safari will start working. If that is not working, just check if you have a stable network connection. If that is also not a problem, then restart your phone and that will probably fix the issue. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.